Hi everybody, it's Mark from Dinette Leisure. Thank you for joining me today. Here on a bit of a blustery day at the showground at Dinette Leisure in Hilton. So this afternoon we've got for you a 2020 automatic 150 horsepower Rollerteam Autoroller 746, and it's absolutely fantastic. It is just under 7.5 meters in total length. It weighs 3,650 kilograms, so you will need to see one entitlement on your driving license to be able to drive it, but it's on the 9-speed Fiat automatic, and it's a 6-bed 6-belt, and it's absolutely beautiful and packed with extras. We've got, starting from the passenger side, Tom's thrown me off a little bit. Wendy's on holiday, so we've got a new cameraman today, and he's not the greatest, but you'll do. So obviously, being the 6-berth, the driver and passenger seat don't rotate because you've got the 6-seater dinette at the front. And then on the cab you can just see there that you've got the multimedia control centre, and then you've got your 9-speed auto gearbox, and then your controls there for all your central locking and bits and bobs like that, aircon, that's all in the middle of the console. Running down the side of the vehicle, Tom, if you want to come out, you got your gas locker, so you've got room in there to fit 2 gas bottles. Habitation door, nice size, really wide. Got a dustbin and a fly screen in there that takes you into the motorhome itself. Fridge vents are just here, so this one's got the under counter fridge freezer that runs off gas or 240, and then you've got your electric hookup point just there. Underneath here, if I can get it open, there you go, is your external shower point. And then you've got this big garage that runs all the way through. There are some bits in there at the minute, so you've just got a little bit of a coax cable and some levelling blocks, but it does run right the way through, all the way to the opposite side of the van. And then when you get to the back, it comes with a 4x bike rack and the reverse camera that's in the pod at the top there. All the way around to the opposite side, you've got the door for the garage on this side as well, which is the same space, just takes you to the opposite side of the van. And you can see there you've got your winder for the wind out awning, which is on the opposite side of the van as well. Toilet cassette is just inside here. Just there is your water infill, and then you've got a little bit of a wet locker at the bottom there, and then your Truma vent just here. So it's Truma boiler and it's blown air combi, so it runs off gas or electric or both combined, depending what time of year you're on holiday to. Apologies, I said it was 150 horsepower, it's 160 horsepower, which is even better. So with all that weight and all those passengers on board, you've got all that grunt that you need to keep you going on the roads and enjoy your holiday. Jumping inside, the layout is absolutely fantastic, because up the stairs, over the cab, you can see you've got this pull down double bed. So that comes down, and then looking up there, it comes with the mattress that's already included. All that space up there, and it's really well illuminated because you've got the lighting over the top, and you've got the natural light coming in through the window. Lots and lots of storage when you look round the van as well. There's like the U-shaped lounge at the back, storage all over the kitchen, storage all the way around the van, right over the dinette as well, which turns into another bed. So you've got 2 forward facing and 2 rear facing seat belts as well. Table drops down, nice and easy to do, turns into another one of the beds. That's the second bed. And then at the back you've got the U-shaped lounge, it turns into the third bed, so you've got 3 double beds in here as well. Spec wise, like I said, you've got the fridge freezer, which is under the counter, runs off 12 volt 240 or gas. Underneath there we've got a 3-ring gas hob, and then you've got the nice size sink with hot and cold running water. Control panel for all the 12 volt system is above the habitation door here, so that's all the things like turning your lights on and on, water pump on and off, that sort of stuff. The control panel for the heating and the hot water is just behind here, behind the TV. The TV didn't come with it standard, but it has been left in by the previous owner, so it won't be covered under the warranty, but it may be left in the van. In this cupboard here we've got a freestanding table. Then at the top there you've got your max view signal booster for the remote, and then just here we've got a Wi-Fi box, so it comes with Wi-Fi as well. And then in here we've got the control panel for the solar panel, so it keeps the 12 volt system nice and topped up when you are off grid or the van's in storage. Really nice layout, beautiful design, really clean. Everything is real nice mixture of soft sort of cream colours, greys, and it looks quite modern. It feels quite modern here as well. And storage again round the back for a family of 4 or a family of 6. For a family of 4 that want that separation of space, 2 separate dining room, well, a separate dining room and then 2 separate bedrooms, and still having somewhere to sit in the daytime, 6-berths make that really sort of real clever use of space. But for a 6-berth, it's absolutely fantastic. There's, I mean, me and Tom, we're not small guys, and there's lots and lots and lots of space in here for us to move around freely. A couple of kids in here, and a dog, and whatever you want to do, you'd still have loads of room, all the room in the world in here as well. In the bathroom and shower, it's really nice because you've got that cubicle that's over to the side. And then obviously you've got the toilet, little bit of a storage unit in there. And hello, you've got that real big sort of corner vanity mirror as well. It's a really well finished motorhome, really well presented, fantastic spec. Obviously the attraction is it's got the automatic box, so for quite a large motorhome with all the storage in the world, just having that real nice comfortable drive is going to make the difference on your holidays as well. Oven and grill at the front there, just underneath the kitchen unit, and lots and lots and lots of storage. I keep banging on about storage, but there is loads on it, and everywhere I look I find more. And then underneath here you got telly. So you've got 2 TVs, one in the lounge, one in the dining area, so always handy if you want to have a bit of a separation or a bit of a chill at night. And then in there we've got lots and lots of room again. It's a really nice motorhome, it's beautiful. Like I said before, you do need the C1 entitlement on your driving licence to be able to drive it. If you pass before 1997 you'll automatically have that, but for a well spec'd, well laid out, beautiful amount of storage, beautiful motorhome for a family of 4 or a family of 6, I think it's absolutely perfect. Anyway, I've been Mark, thank you very much for your time today. Don't be afraid to pick the phone up and ask for me if you'd like any questions answering. I will always do my best. See you soon, thank you.